Looking for a reliable device that keeps you safe, connected, and prepared no matter what? The Raynic NOAA Weather Radio is more than just a radio. It's an all-in-one emergency and survival companion designed to be your go-to in any situation. This versatile radio gives you access to NOAA weather alerts, AM, FM, and shortwave bands, so you'll always stay informed about severe weather, emergency updates, and important broadcasts, even when other communications fail. Its multiple power options make it incredibly dependable. Use the built-in 5,000 mAh battery, recharge via Type-C, harness solar energy, or manually crank it by hand. No matter where you are or what happens, you'll have power when you need it most. But this device is more than just a radio. It comes packed with emergency features like a bright flashlight to illuminate dark areas, an SOS siren to attract attention in critical situations, and even the ability to charge your phone or other USB devices. Whether you're camping, hiking, traveling, or facing a power outage, this radio ensures you stay connected and prepared. The ergonomic design is compact and portable, making it easy to carry while keeping all functions easily accessible. Simple controls let you switch between modes, adjust settings, and monitor battery levels effortlessly, so you can focus on staying safe and informed. With this radio in your kit, you're adding a layer of security and readiness that every adventurer, commuter, or household should have. If you want a dependable, multifunctional device that combines emergency alerts, portable power, and practical survival tools, the Raynic NOAA Weather Radio is an excellent choice. Click the link below for the best price.